everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can hide your Facebook post comments from public. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just start our video now. So to do so, what you will do is simply just go to your Facebook app first. Then once your app is open, what you will do is simply just tap on your profile icon on your top left corner. Then you will have your profile open. What you will do is simply scroll down and find the post where you would like to remove your comments from. Then you will simply tap on your comments, and for example, if you want to hide this particular comment, simply long press on that particular comment. Then you will get this particular options. Simply tap on this hide comment over here, and this comment is hidden. Only you will be able to see this. Once you're done, what you will do is simply just go back, and that's how you can hide a particular comment from Facebook. But if you want to just turn off it completely, then you will simply tap on the profile icon on your top right corner now with the three horizontal line. Scroll down, go to this option called settings and privacy, tap on settings, tap on your profile settings over here. Then you will see this option called public posts. Simply tap on it, then choose who is allowed to comment on your public posts, right? So you can see here I have a friends of friends, only they will be able to comment on my posts. So what you have to do is either you have to choose friends or you have to choose the friends of friends, and this is how you can simply change your who can comment settings from over here. So yeah, this is the way you can simply hide your comments all from your public, and you can hide a particular one from your friends and everyone as well. So yeah everybody, this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.